Take a ride in the 2019 F-550 Super Duty. The Ford Super Duty F-550 is a real work truck built with Ford tradition for reliability, safety, and comfort. This heavy-duty work truck is ready to tackle the most demanding jobs and is priced below $55,000. This vehicle has less than 200 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trailer brake controller, traction control, daytime running lights, engine block heater, headlights auto off, trip computer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, vinyl seats, AM/FM stereo radio. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.